So, na-identify at na-prioritize na natin ang mga risks sa pamamagitan ng Failure Mode and Defects Analysis o FMEA, right? Pero hindi tayo pwedeng huminto doon. Ang susunod na absolutely crucial step para sa atin, kailangan nating i-mitigate yan gamit ang error proofing.
Enter Poka Yoke. Basically, ito yung Lean Six Sigma strategy natin para tuluyang ma-eliminate o at least ma-minimize yung chance at impact ng mga process errors. Sa LSS logic natin, ito yung nagko-connect doon sa pag-identify ng failures at sa mismong systematic prevention nito sa daily operations natin. Kasi let's face it, knowing where we might fail isn't enough, di ba? Kailangan nating i-bulletproof ang sistema para hindi talaga mangyari yung mismong failure.
For this explainer, here's our game plan. We'll start with mitigating FMEA risks, then dive into the 3 levels of defense. Level 1 is prevention, level 2 is facilitation, and level 3 is detection. Finally, we'll talk about combining methods for success.
Section 1. Mitigating FMEA Risks. Let's jump right into it. Bago tayo pumunta sa mismong 3 levels, how exactly do we mitigate the risks na na-prioritize na natin sa FMEA? I mean, minsan ang sarap na lang umasa sa common sense, right? Pero real talk, ang pagsabihan ng mga tao ng be careful o umasa na hindi sila magkakamali dahil na-train naman sila, that is definitely not a valid Lean Six Sigma strategy. Super weak control niyan. We need a rock-solid mechanism na naka-embed mismo doon sa design ng process natin.
At dito na papasok yung hierarchy of controls natin for error proofing. Lalo na pag nasa improve at control phases na tayo ng DMAIC, we heavily rely on these 3 levels para masustain natin yung gains. Una, prevention. Pangalawa, facilitation. At pangatlo, detection.
Moving on to Section 2, Level 1, Prevention. Making errors literally impossible.
Punta tayo sa pinakauna at honestly, ang most preferred level natin ng error proofing. Sa Lean Six Sigma logic, ang ultimate goal ng prevention ay gawing literally impossible yung paggawa ng mali. Imagine, nag-assemble ka ng physical parts like cables or USB ports. Na-design siya in a way na isang orientation lang ang papasok, di ba? Try mong baliktarin, it just won't fit. That's a hard stop. Ibig sabihin, kapag mali yung input, imposibleng mag-proceed sa next step ng process. Hinarang mo na agad yung defect bago pa man siya mabuo.
Let's look at a practical, everyday example na may i-relate natin sa logistics. Isipin mo yung mga delivery and logistics apps natin ngayon, like kapag nag-o-order ka sa Grab or dumaan ka sa modern Jollibee drive-thru. Kapag nag-opt-in ka sa location sharing, natitrack nila yung GPS mo. The operational impact here is massive. Alam nila exactly kailan ipiprepare yung order mo, so it's perfectly just-in-time pagdating mo. As a form of error-proofing prevention, nabe-verify na nila agad yung identity mo gamit yung name mo sa app, so no need na maglabas pa ng ID or magka-error sa manual verification. Dahil dito, hit na hit agad natin yung critical to quality metrics, or CTQs, like speed and user convenience.
Let's transition to Section 3, Level 2, Facilitation. Bawasan natin ang mga errors.
Pero what if we can't completely prevent the error dahil sa mismong nature ng trabaho natin? Dito na pumapasok ang Level 2, which is facilitating the process to minimize errors. Facilitation is all about guiding the user and pag-simplify ng environment para lumiit ang chance na magkamali. A classic example would be yung mga pre-flight checklists ng mga piloto. Sa modern corporate or BPO setting natin ngayon, we do this using customized IT templates. Kapag gumamit ka ng Microsoft Forms for client requests or Microsoft Planner para i-standardize yung task inputs, literally, na i-guide mo yung agents kung ano specifically yung tamang data na ilalagay. You significantly reduce their cognitive load so naiiwasan natin yung mga unnecessary errors bago pa matapos ang task.
Crucial point here, guys. Kailangan nating malinaw na i-distinguish yung dalawang ito. Prevention gives you a 100% guarantee na hindi pwedeng mangyari yung error simply because physically or systemically blocked na siya. On the flip side, ang facilitation, it just minimizes errors. Walang 100% guarantee of success dito kasi pwede pa ring mabypass o magkamali yung user sa pag-fill out ng template o checklist na yon. And exactly because walang 100% guarantee, nangangailangan tayo ng safety net.
Section 4, Level 3, Detection. Ang ating ultimate safety net.
Kapag hindi sumapat yung prevention at facilitation, we heavily rely on our final safety net, detection. Ang LSS logic dito is plain and simple. Kung may makakagawa man ng error, kailangang ma-detect agad yan using obvious visual flags or automated alerts. Hindi pwedeng next week pa natin malalaman sa audit, di ba? For example, gamit ang Microsoft Power Automate, pwede tayong mag-setup ng automated flow. Kung may missing critical data sa isang submitted report, automatic nitong madidetect yung error and magte-trigger ng immediate alert pabalik sa nag-send. Super fast and automated ito na bablock yung defect bago pa man umabot yung report sa client natin.
Final section, combining methods for success. Bringing it all together. Sa mga mature and highly optimized LOSS processes, never tayong tumitigil sa isang level lang. To really drive down our risk priority number or RPN sa FMEA, madalas nating pinipare ang facilitation and detection for maximum security. Isang classic example sa medical device industry is yung foam cavity packaging. Nakashape yung foam per specific tool ng isang prosthetic implant. It's a facilitation method kasi ginagabayan nito yung surgeon pero at the same time, it's a detection method. Pagdating sa operating room, it acts as an instant visual checklist. Kapag may bakanting butas sa foam, obvious agad na may kulang. In a modern BPO setting, it's like our quality assurance processes. Kapag may nag-red flag sa isang Power BI compliance dashboard, that's your visual verification na kailangan agad ng immediate corrective action before we execute that payroll or client report. We literally combined a structured template that facilitates and a visual alert that detects.
To perfectly wrap up our Lean Six Sigma Rule of 3 para sa error-proofing, always prioritize preventing errors completely if possible. Kung hindi talaga kaya, minimize them through facilitation. At kung makalusot pa rin, make absolutely sure you have a system to detect them immediately. As you can see, bawat step has a massive direct impact sa pag-convert ng isang high FMAI risk into a completely stable, mitigated process. Now that we've totally dissected how these Poka levels actually work, I want you to think about this. A link critical in the process so sa kasalukuyan mong workflow ang pinaka-urgent na nangangailangan ng Poka application right now.